How to set 1 inch margin in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can set 1 inch margin in Word. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Word on your device. If you're on this page, navigate to top left corner and click on File button. From this menu bar, you have to click on Options. Now under Options, again from this menu bar, go to Advanced and then click on it. Here under Advanced, you have to scroll down and navigate to the section that says Display. Under Display, there is one more option that says Show Measurement Units or Show Measurements in Units of. There you have to click on this drop down and make sure to select the inches. Once done, click on OK. So again, once you land on this interface, you have to click on Layout from this menu bar at the top. Under Layout, again head towards the margins and then click on it. Here now select Custom Margins, and here under all of this, top, bottom, left and right, make sure that you have set it to 1 inch. Under Gutter, clear this 0 and set it to 1. Once you have done that, click on OK. And with that, now you have 1 inch margin in Word. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.